Let's start with the rear left door. Open up the door, and right there, that's a slot where you'll have to put the key in. If you don't have a key but you have a key fob, that's okay too. I'll show you how to get the key out of it. So see that button there? Pull it, and then you can get the key out. Out it comes. So put the key in that slot there, and then all you have to do is twist it right like that, and that's it. You're done. Now if I try to open the door from inside, I will not be able to do it. The only way I can now open the door is from outside. So if you have the window rolled down, then yeah, you can. So that's what I'm gonna do. Open up the door, and now let's undo that child lock, unlock it, put the key in and twist it left, and that's it. Now it's unlocked. Now I should be able to open the door from inside, and that's it. Let's move on to the right side door, exact same position. The only difference is this time around, in order to lock it, you have to twist it left, like the arrow over there. Twist it left, it's locked. To unlock it, twist it right. Just like that, and that is pretty much it.